guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having an amazing day today. If you are new here, hi, my name's Becca. I'm so glad that you stopped to check out this video. I mean, who wouldn't want to know about free Ipsy, right? If you have not seen my last video, please do go check it out. It is the eye look that I have on today. I did do it with the blend palette. I was influenced through Makeup with Jessica Vargas to buy that palette. Super glad that I did purchase it. I have purchased the new Surge palette by this brand also. But today, we are going to be doing Ipsy. Now, I don't receive Ipsy. Ipsy was my first beauty subscription, unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Ipsy was my first. I was with Ipsy for 2 years. They did me dirty. I had everything Ipsy came out with, Glam Bag Plus, the Extreme, Ultimate, whatever. Anyway, Ipsy and me had a long-standing relationship, and then she wanted to be a biatch, so I kicked her to the curb. But my good Judy on Instagram, Brenda Hip, sent me a free bag. So I thought, well, why not? Let's see if Ipsy has gotten any better. I'm sure that they have not, but I will give them the benefit of the doubt. So it did come in today. We are going to open it right now. I do want to share with you what I got and give you my thoughts on it. So it is just a little puffer mailer bag. Inside is our bag. Seems to be everything in the bag is in the bag. There's nothing left in the envelope. So this is the bag. I can say that it is so freaking fugly that it's cute. I think it's adorable. Yellow is not my color, yet I am drawn to this bag. So, I guess this is September 2021 bag. I was hoping to get the October bag. I know that the bag on there is super, super cute. But let's go ahead and see what we got. It says, cheers to 10 years of Ipsy. La 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 la. Work, school, life. Back to work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, communicating and wearing lipstick, or chatting up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So there is our little card, and then inside will give us a rundown of the products we got, how much they retail for full size. So let's go ahead and get in here. I am just going to reach in here and pull out things. Oh, this is a great concealer, guys. I actually got this concealer from Ipsy my first time, and I love this. This is Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright Concealer. The full size of this retails for $8. You cannot pass up $8. I mean, this is in the color medium beige. It's a super, super good match for concealer for me. That is what she looks like. Super great concealer. I am super excited about that. And she does blend in very nicely. So if you've not tried out this concealer, guys, Kokie Cosmetics is where it's at when it comes to concealers. So I'm super excited about that. The next thing we have is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dip Brow Gel. That is what she looks like. She is super, super tiny, and the color is medium brown. So let's open her if we can. Oh, it's got one of those little pulley things. Okay. Smallest. Super, super tiny, but that is what she looks like. The color does not look bad. Of course, I do have blue hair. It will not match, but I will definitely give it a try. That is the color of it. Let's go ahead and try some now. Why not? Let's see. I can't see my mirror and the camera. I'm always scared that these things are going to be too dark or I'm going to ruin my look. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. So I will definitely give that a try. Wipe that off before I get it everywhere. Okay. The next thing is this, and this is... Oh, let me tell you how much this retails for full price. The Dip Brow Gel, oh, no, 4.4 grams is $20 for the full-size version. This is a deluxe sample size. Tip, use the brush tip to apply to sparse areas, then blend through. The tip for the concealer was dot concealer over dark spots, blemishes, anywhere you need, and blend, which is exactly what I showed y'all. This is a Item Beauty Slick Type Cleansing Balm Mini. This is an Ipsy exclusive. Yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's Item Beauty product just for you. Cleansing balm gently dissolves makeup, dirt, and buildup without stripping your skin with a blend of all-natural olive oil, grape seed oil, and rose hip oil. Tip, use this balm as the first step in your double cleanse routine before using a gel or foam wash. Full size of this is 2.8 ounces and it retails for $20. So I do use a cleansing balm. I do double cleanse, but I use the Pharmacy Green Clean. This is the balm that I've been using since I first got a sample of it. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I love the cap. So it's a pretty little orange cap. Item Beauty. Oh, it's got a great fragrance. It is super weird clear in there. So I'm not going to swatch it or feel it or anything because, like I said, I do use the Green Clean Balm, and this is a rather fresh container of it. So knock all the stuff down. All right, so the next thing in here, we have 2 more items. This is what we have. This is Orza Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow. These 4 ultra buildable shadows blend on like a dream thanks to soft clay and rich mineral pigments, and the mix of shimmery champagne shades are perfect for all your summer to fall makeup looks. Tip, apply alone or mix and match them to create your custom glow eye look. The full size of this retails for $20. So you're telling me there's 4 eyeshadows in this little teeny tiny thing? 4 eyeshadows in there, really. And it's got that little plastic coating covering that makes it super difficult for us to get in. Okay. All right. So that is what she looks like. She is actually super, super cute. I don't know if I would use them as eyeshadows, but with all this shimmer, I would totally use it as a bronze, blush, highlight kind of thing. So there's the pink, the gold, the crystal, and the brown. So that is what those colors look like from these shades. They're super cute. I could see where that would come in handy for summer, even into fall a little bit. So those are cute. All right, let's see what the last thing is in here. And this is the last thing. And this is Shades by Sean Highlighter Single in Marjorie. Cute component. It says, you know the gorgeous glow that skin gets during golden hour. This soft shimmery highlighter recreates the same effect on your skin. The powdery formula blends beautifully, is easy to build, and leaves skin luminous. Tip, applied to the high points of your face, including your cheekbones, brow bones, and cupid's bow. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this product is 20 grams, and it's $34. $34 for a highlighter seems to be a little expensive in my book. That is the color of it. I'm not going to swatch this. It is a gold highlighter, and if you've been here a while, gold highlighters and me just don't. I just don't. So, I am super excited about 3 of the 4 products that I got in my free Ipsy bag. Brenda, thank you for thinking of me. I greatly appreciate it. No, I do not want to join Ipsy again. I did just get rid of my BoxyCharm, so the bag is super cute. Like I said, it's so fugly. I like it. And 4 of the items I'm super excited about. So thank you again. Thanks for watching. Do leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you still get Ipsy, what your thoughts are. Did you get September's bag? Are you getting October's bag? Have you seen the bag? Let me know all that good stuff below. Leave me a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Come back, see all the good, wonderful things that we're doing. And until next time, guys, remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible. I love y'all. Mwah. Bye.